This is not just a house. It's a dream. A place for work, living, and leisure, all in one. Architecture we can truly call home. Architecture that defines its time, rooted in the mountains of Minas Gerais, Brazil, embracing the views of Belo Horizonte. At the top of a steeply sloped site, Fla House projects itself toward the horizon, on a lot framed by buildings on both sides and at the rear, challenges that shaped its responses. Access begins at street level, where a cut in the terrain houses the two lower levels. At the bottom, the garage and main entrance. Just above it, the architect's own studio, a space where concrete and landscape inspire the creative process. The studio follows the same spirit. Between function and comfort, it's a soulful space of creation, somewhere between home and office. The residence itself rises on the third level, on a plateau that allowed for a linear, light, and fluid layout. The house rests along the side boundaries and opens up within the allowed setbacks, pulling away from the neighboring structures in search of light, ventilation, and privacy. In the finishes, simplicity meets refinement. Exposed concrete contrasts with quartzite, granite, wood, and metal, creating a tactile and visual harmony. Each material finds its place naturally. The furniture follows the same approach. Leather, cotton, bouclé, wood, and aluminum soften the rawness of concrete and bring warmth to the spaces. The house becomes urban, practical, and contemporary, but above all, sensitive to time and emotion. The generous ceiling height intensifies this relationship with the outside. Natural light pours in, and the sky, ever present through the windows, becomes part of daily life. Landscaping extends the greenery from the street into the heart of the lot. Alongside it, the pool generates movement, softens the rawness, and brings life. It draws in birds and establishes a quiet connection to the divine. Exposed concrete was chosen not only as structure but as language. Brutal in essence, it unfolds in protective planes that shield the house from the street while opening generously to the mountains and the city. Fla House is more than a home. It is the embodiment of a belief, a way of living and inhabiting the world, a place where architecture and life are deeply intertwined.